Good evening everyone. My name is Rishal Sachin Guru and I am studying in 7th standard. I am learning coding in Sun Infodel Services in Shiroli, Pulachi. I had made one project named Chatbot Calculator app. Now I will show you how it works. I have typed the code. Now let's see its output. See, I am a chatbot calculator. What is your name? Now we have to type here our name. My name is Rishal. See, nice to meet you. I can calculate anything like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square and cubes. Do you want to calculate? Type the number. Now I will type the number. Multiply by 6. Now your answer is 45. Do you want to find cube? Now I will type 6. Enter any number. Now I have typed the 6. Now let's see 6 cube. 216. Now do you want to find square? Now let's see 6 square. 36. Do you want to learn coding? Then come in Sun Infotech Services in Shiroli, Pulachi. Thank you.